The highly anticipated Google Pixel 9a has just appeared in a new live video, giving us a clear look at its design, camera bar, and display. This 44-second clip showcases the mid-range device in the porcelain color, highlighting both the front and rear panels. If you're curious about how the upcoming Pixel 9a will look and perform, this video offers the best glimpse yet. Not long ago, renowned leaker Even Blass also shared renders of the Pixel 9a, revealing another color variant called Iris, a striking purple shade. According to Blass, the Pixel 9a will be available in 4 colors: Obsidian, Porcelain, Peony, and Iris. Obsidian is a deep, dark hue reminiscent of black, while Porcelain leans towards a warm white. Peony, on the other hand, is a soft pink shade similar to the Pixel 9's color option. If the rumors are accurate, Google might officially announce the Pixel 9a this Wednesday, March 19th, with pre-orders kicking off the same day. The device is then expected to hit the market on March 26th. In terms of pricing, the Pixel 9a is expected to start at $499 in the US for the base model with 128 gigabytes of storage. A higher storage variant with 256 gigabytes is rumored to cost $599. Meanwhile, European customers who pre-order the Pixel 9a might be treated to a free Google TV streamer valued at $99. However, it remains unclear whether a similar pre-order incentive will be offered to buyers in the United States. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a boasts some solid hardware upgrades compared to its predecessor. It features a 6.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080, 2424, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the device is Google's Forum Tensor G4 chipset, accompanied by 8 GB of RAM. These specifications suggest that the Pixel 9a will offer a responsive and efficient user experience, making it a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the Pixel 9a's upgraded camera system. The rear camera bar houses a 48-megapixel main sensor accompanied by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing expansive shots. On the front, a 13-megapixel punch-hole camera ensures high-quality selfies and clear video calls. Google's AI-powered camera software is expected to enhance image processing, making the Pixel 9a a reliable option for mobile photography. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 9a impresses. The device comes with a generous 5100 mAh battery, promising all-day usage without the need for frequent recharges. Additionally, the phone is built to withstand the elements thanks to its IP68 rating, which offers protection against dust and water. To Android 22, giving users long-term software support and security patches for years to come. Overall, the Pixel 9a appears to be a significant step forward in Google's A-series lineup. With its refined design, improved camera system, powerful Tensor G4 chip, and long software support, it is shaping up to be one of the best mid-range smartphones of the year. If you're considering upgrading, the Pixel 9a might be worth the wait. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official launch. Series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256GB models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25 512GB, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus 512GB, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra 512GB, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, and all the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans! The moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.